The Amazon is an incredible piece of nature, created over the course of millions of years, is more than the sum of its parts due to its uniqueness and diversity. It's a big place covering much of South America, but did you know in the large river that flows through it there are monsters that live there? Creatures large and small that exist in those waters that will frighten you, so that's why we're going over 11 of the deadliest river monsters in the Amazon. But before that, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of our future content. Let's get into it. The arapaima are a gigantic carnivorous fish living in the South American's Amazon River. These fish are torpedo-shaped and have large, blackish green scales with a mineralized hard outer layer. The arapaima is dependent on the surface air to breathe. They feed on smaller fish, small terrestrial animals, and moves close to the shore to get crustaceans. Seeing this fish in the water certainly would be a shock to the uninitiated. Crocodiles and muddy water are a scary mix. The black caiman is a very real river monster to watch out for. It's also found in the seasonally flooded savannas in the region. This massive carnivore can grow up to 5 meters in length and is the Amazon River's largest predator. Birds, mammals, fish, and reptiles constitute its food base. These reptiles can get up to 13 feet or more and have been known to go after people. A shocking addition to the list is the electric eel. Electric eels have a dark, gray-brown dorsal color and a yellow to orange colored abdomen. 3 pairs of abdominal organs in the fish allow it to produce electricity. Both low and high voltage electric discharges are generated by the fish. This low type of discharge is used by the electric eel to sense the environment, while the latter type is used to detect and stun prey. In the Amazon River basin, electric eels are found in the muddy river bottoms or stagnant waters, where they feed on invertebrates, small mammals, and fish. Nearly everyone is familiar with the name piranha. It is a group of freshwater fish living in the South American rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and floodplains, including the Amazon River basin, that is the subject of many horror tales and legends. It is believed that anyone, including humans or animals, entering the water infested by piranhas is bound to be attacked by these fish and consumed alive. Most people will be safe crossing the river, however, but may get a few bites along the way. Most otters are pretty cute, but this one is a nightmare. They're the longest examples of the weasel family, but adult males can reach over 6 feet long from head to tail. Their diet primarily consists of fish and crabs, which they hunt in family groups of 3 to 8 members, and they can eat up to 9 pounds of food per day. Don't be fooled by their cute looks though, as they are more than a match for other animals on this list, with groups of them having been spotted killing and eating anaconda. Candiru are small parasitic freshwater catfish famous for launching themselves up the urethra of anyone foolish enough to get in the river, and getting lodged into the urinary tract because of the spines along their backs. And while documented cases are very rare, there is some debate over whether these animals and their types of injuries they give occur at all. You probably don't think sharks when in the Amazon, but the bull shark would surprise you. This shark is capable of swimming upstream and hunting very efficiently in the waters of the Amazon. They can hit sizes of 11 feet long and be something you shouldn't run into, because they are the most prominent attackers of human beings. Combined with their habit of living near densely populated areas, this has led many experts to label them as the most dangerous shark in the world. With the name vampire fish being thrown around, the payara is a frightening animal to find swimming around you indeed. They are absolutely ferocious predators, capable of devouring fish up to half their own body size. A large part of their diet is made up of piranhas, which should give you some idea of how tough these fanged fiends can be. One animal certain to be more terrifying to men than women is the pacu. The pacu is a much larger relative of the piranha, known for its distinctive, almost human teeth. Unlike most of the creatures on this list, it has a good diet consisting of fruit and nuts. Pacu are alleged to have occasionally bit off the testicles of male swimmers, with reports of men in Papua New Guinea even being killed by pacu after the fish apparently mistook something down under for a very easy snack. The Amazon holds many dangerous animals, but they don't necessarily need to be scary to kill you. The poison dart frog lives along the river, and if they touch you, you don't have much time left. The poison dart frog possess enough venom to kill 20 full-grown men, and they're brightly colored, which should drive people away, but it actually has the opposite effect. Our final dangerous animal is the green anaconda, and it's been rumored to eat people. It waits in the muddy water waiting for something to cross its path. It will then latch on and wrap itself around them, breaking bones and suffocating its prey before swallowing them whole. This is a dangerous animal you will not see coming. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. We hope you guys found a brand new favorite animal, or at least know which animals to avoid. Thank you guys so much, and have a good one.